And as the test progresses, the GMAT's opinion of you is more and more informed by your performance on more and more questions. And the difficulty level of the final question. Hey, this is Avi Gutman with another Ask Me Anything event brought to you by quantreasoning.com. I invite you to join me live next time. We do this every Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern, and you can attend for free by starting your free trial at quantreasoning.com. The GMAT algorithm is constantly trying to form an opinion about your ability level. And the algorithm will keep revising that opinion as it gets more information. So the final opinion the GMAT has of you after you've answered the last question, that's the opinion that the GMAT will have. And since the difficulty level of that question is based on the quite informed opinion at that point, right? In the beginning, it's an uninformed opinion. I mean, when you get your first question, the opinion is based on nothing, which is why you'll just get kind of a random difficulty level question, probably somewhere in the mid-range, but not necessarily. It's just random. A bell curve of probability. So the higher probability that it'll be a medium difficulty level question, but there exists a low probability that it will be in one of the extremes, either high or low difficulty. And as the test progresses, the GMAT's opinion of you is more and more informed by your performance on more and more questions. And the difficulty level of the final question, probabilistically speaking, is chosen based on the GMAT's most recent opinion of your true ability level. And then that's why we say where you end is what you get. But where you end depends on how you did throughout the test. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.